Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome. I'm Tall Mike. Today's Friday, January 8th. We made it through the first trading week of the year. What's going on right now? I mean, everybody asks me why the stock market keeps going higher. Why does it keep pushing higher? It's up again today, set new records, actually pulling back a little right now, probably flatlining on the Dow. S&P and NASDAQ are up, but it keeps pushing higher. And I tell people it's going to go higher. It's going to go higher. It's going to go higher. Now, what's going lower? Well, it's the economy. The economy is free falling, but yet the stock market is melting up. Why? Well, the more free falling the economy does, the more stimulus is expected to go into the marketplace. And what the stimulus does is it props everything up. It pushes things higher. The stimulus money finds its way into the stock market to pump it up higher. The stock market's going higher. It just is until it's not. But right now, it's still going higher. It's still going higher. It's going to push up to the 40,000 level on the Dow. Right now, it's about 31,000. Now, there's been a couple of incredible trades just since March. Let's look at it. Okay, so what are the big trades right now? Well, one of them is Bitcoin. Over 41,000. Okay, what was that? Back in March, maybe, I don't know, 5,000? Somewhere around there? Over 41,000 now? You know, it's almost, basically about 10 times just since March. 10 times up. You could have put in $1,000 and had 10,000 right now. Okay. That's a great trade, right? Is it going higher? Probably going to keep melting up higher with the market. Okay, that's all fine. It's high though. I mean, am I a buyer here? No, I'm not. What's the other big trade? The other big trade is Tesla. Tesla, you could have bought that back in March for basically $70. Okay, now we're at about $870, almost $900. Okay, will Tesla become $1 trillion car company? I think it will. I think it's going to get to 1,000. Is it worth $1 trillion? No. What these are what I call religions. Okay, a lot of people, you cannot say a bad thing about Bitcoin. They get upset, man. They get attitude with you. It's their religion. You can't say anything bad about Bitcoin. Same with Tesla. Don't ever criticize Elon. Elon Musk it's like their god almost. And he's making a money. A lot of people, they worship money. So anyways, these are religious things that you cannot say anything bad about Tesla. You cannot say anything bad about Bitcoin. All right, am I a buyer of those here? No, I'm not. Look, what we got is Biden coming out, already announced it. He's going to get a $2,000 stimulus check to every man, woman, and child in the U.S. $2,000. Well, where's that money coming from? We don't have it. We got to print it. We got to go more in debt. Now, what happens to the family that really needs that $2,000? See, Biden, he's like the grandfather. Everything's going to be okay. I'm president now. Okay, well, we'll see. But he's going to give everybody $2,000 because he knows they're hurting. He knows they can't buy food for their family. When people can't buy food for their family, you get this social unrest going on. Now, yeah, we had this situation at the Capitol building, but that's not going to stop. The social unrest is there because people cannot feed their family. They cannot get a job because there are no jobs, and they're begging the government for these stimulus checks. So the government says, okay, we'll give you the stimulus check. We'll give you the $2,000. So they go, thank you, Mr. Government, thank you. And they take the $2,000 and they go down and they buy food for their family so their family can eat. Everybody's got to eat. I'm a believer in that, But who gets hurt with this $2,000 stimulus check? Well, it's the people that need it the most. They think it hurts everyone else, but no, they're hurting the people that need it the most. Sure, it's going to buy them food for this month for their family of 4, let's say. Okay, so that's going to pay for the food. But what about next month? Next month, the food prices are going to be going higher because when they put this $2,000 to every man, woman, and child, the dollar immediately goes down. Immediately. What happens? Inflation immediately goes up. It goes up as soon as that check is printed and sent out. This is hurting people. It's hurting people. It's going to make them homeless. It's going to make them poverty-stricken. It's not the answer, folks. I know everybody wants a $2,000 check, but it's not the answer. It does more harm than good. More harm than good. What you got to do, if you have money, a lot of people don't have money anymore. But if you have money, you have to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself from these stimulus checks because they're going to keep sending them. I mean, I think we're going to actually get to a point of UBI where we send a check out every month. $2,000 every month to every man, woman, and child. What's this going to do to the dollar? The dollar's just going to free fall. It's not going to buy anything anymore. You have to protect yourself. Now, a lot of people say, well, I'm protected. I'm in Bitcoin. Okay, that's great. That's fine. I got nothing against Bitcoin. I think it's high here. I think it's actually, I do think it's in a bubble now. I think it's actually floated up a little too high right now. A lot of people say it's cheap. A lot of people say it's going to 100,000, then 250,000, then 1 million. They say it's cheap. I'm not a believer in that. Okay, I'll show you what I do say is cheap. I say silver. Silver is cheap right now. It's cheap, dirt cheap. You can get these for under $30. I think spot price of silver is somewhere around $26. The other thing that I feel is a bargain, is gold. Gold coins. This is a gold eagle. That was a silver eagle. Okay, so we got the silver eagles. We got the gold eagles. All right. This is what I'm protecting myself with from the printing of money, from the government, from the stimulus checks. Sure, send me that stimulus check. I'll go buy more of this. I'll buy more of this. I'll protect myself from you, Mr. Government. I'll protect myself. You got to protect yourself. You know, it's going to hurt so many people when they send out these stimulus checks. They say they're helping. They're not helping the people. They're hurting them because, yeah, it's a temporary thing. It's temporary. They get that $2,000. They spend it. Maybe they put it in the stock market. Maybe they put it into Bitcoin. But it comes back that where does it go? It makes the rich people rich. And it makes the ones that need the money, that need that stimulus check, it makes them more poor than they ever were before. Yeah, temporarily for that month, they're going to have food for everybody. Now, I'm in favor of food for everybody. I mean, food banks. I contribute. I donate. My church, I contribute to the Convoy of Hope. They come to our church and we have food lines of the poverty, and this is in one of the richest areas in the world. I live in Silicon Valley. There's still poor people, a lot of poor people, a lot of homeless people, a lot of people that can't afford food for their families. Children are going to bed hungry, and what they're doing is they're exacerbating this problem with stimulus checks. Now, it's getting scary. You got to protect yourself with real money. Now, people say, should I buy the SLV? SLV's fine. It's paper. It's paper silver. This is real silver. Now, just the other day, okay, I don't go into the bank that often, but I went into the bank, you know. Now, first of all, I have two banks, and they both closed the branches. The branches are closed that are closest to me. One of them closed the two closest branches to me. Now, I don't understand why the banks are closing these branches, okay? So I have to drive a little ways to get to a branch that's open. And when I get to that branch that's open, there's a line. There's a line that goes outside the door. Bank lines, banks are closing. It makes me nervous. Now, I know they can print as much money as they want and get it to the bank to give you your money, but I'm telling you, the dollar is going down. It's getting scary. You need protection. Now, people say I'm an idiot. Mike, you're an idiot. You're in silver. You're in gold, man. You're just old. You got to get in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the way right now. They all love Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 41,000. I'll take my chance on gold. I'll take my chance on something I can hold. You know, if I could hold the Bitcoin, I'd be all over that stuff. I can't hold it. Sure, I can hold that maybe a digital thing I plug into my computer to get my Bitcoin. I get all that. But no, internet goes down, your Bitcoin gets hacked. I'm a gold guy. Nothing against the Bitcoin people. They've been geniuses this year. Geniuses. It keeps going up. And I hope it keeps going up for them. And it probably will, because the dollar is going down. But this is where I'm headed to. After I'm done recording this, I'm headed over to my coin dealer. I'm going to buy some more gold today. I'm going to buy some more silver today. It's getting hit hard today. It's getting hit hard. These are down about $60. $60. I just bought them last week. They're already dropped $60. A lot of people say I'm stupid for buying more. I'm going to buy more. I hope they hit it again. I hope they hit it all the way down to under 1,000. Then I hope they keep hitting it to under 100. Wouldn't that be great? Oh, man. I'm telling you. Gold. I'm a stacker. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to protect you. The economy's in free fall. Man, we just lost another 800,000 jobs this week. Who are they kidding? Yes, you can buy Bitcoin. Yes, you can buy Tesla. These will probably keep going up. But I'm telling you, what I'm doing, physical gold and physical silver, to protect myself from stimulus checks, to protect myself from the printing of money, to protect myself from the banking system, from the bank runs that are coming. They're already here, in my opinion. Closing branches, lines outside the door. I don't know. Maybe I'm just an old crazy guy, and I'm okay with that. I'm happy. I sleep well at night knowing I have the physical stuff. That's what you want to get. If you have any money left, I'm telling you, money's not going to be buying much. The dollar's going to go away. People want it to go away. They don't want the dollar in existence. They're going to crush it until it can't buy anything. Get some physical gold and silver. I'm Tall Mike. I'm just a stock market gambler that loves to stack physical gold and silver. I love days like this when they hit the gold, they hit the silver, they hammer it. They can go find J.P. Morgan all they want. Keep hitting it, J.P. Morgan. Keep hitting it down. I'm going to get some more. It's what I do. Anyways, I hope you all have a great weekend. Get out there, do some trading. I'm Tall Mike. We'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.